Hello, I am Carla Castillón, and this is the video with my partner Carla Salinas. We are going to answer the question 1 of our assignment, which consists of presenting a firm that estimates and uses the cost of capital. The company that we choose is Cemex. Well, we will present the company right now. As you can see, Cemex offers a wide range of integrated concrete solutions for the construction industry, and their solutions improve the performance of construction sites according to the specific projects of their construction customers, such as infrastructure developments, housing developments, pavements, industrial works, vertical construction developments, and buildings. Okay. Then we're going to present the products of Cemex. Well, depending on the needs of the projects to build, there are different characteristics of the construction of concrete that are required. Whether shorter setting time is required for public works or altered permeability conditions, if it is an outdoor or indoor project. Some of the products are Evolution, Vertua, Apparentia, Pavicred, Impercept, Duramax, Biocrete, Fortis, Hydratium, Density, Ingenia, Pisocred, Promptis, Reducrat, and Pervia. They also have cement. Well, the cement, Cemex has the best quality cement in the country, here in Mexico. They offer a wide variety of products with specific properties that can be water resistant, ideal for masonry work, for coatings, compression resistant, heat repellent, and more. And some of the products are Cemex Extra, Cemex Blanco, Cemex Mortero Óptimo, Cemex Impercem, Cemex Multiplast, as you can see here. And here's. And then we're going to pass to concrete aggregates. Aggregate is a granular material, sand, gravel, crushed stone, or slag. And it is used with a certain cementitious medium to form concrete or hydraulic mortar. It can be used in its natural state or crushed according to its use and application. Well, you can see here some products of sand. They are divided in two. Here are some products of sand. And sand 5, sand 4 dosable, sand 4 block, sand 4 and 5 washed, and grava, well, 3/4 gravel, 1 and 2/4, 1 medium gravel, seal 1 medium, seal 3 octables, hydrable base and subbase.
Now we are going to proceed to explain how and when the firm uses the cost of capital. Cemex uses the weighted average cost of capital in one of its annual events called Cemex Day, which is a live video presentation in which members of senior management provide an update on its business strategy, finance, climate action, and other related topics that may contain important information for Cemex stakeholders. According to the company's announcement at the event, its main focus is to create value for its shareholders. So, one of its financial strategies is to have a return on capital employed, ROCE, greater than its WACC. This is an attractive strategy for shareholders because it indicates that the company is committed to ensuring that its revenues are higher than the cost of its sources of capital. so that shareholders can be confident that their capital invested in the company is being destined to a productive project that will generate a return. In addition, by keeping its cost of capital low, CEMEX seeks to achieve and maintain its investment grade rating, so that more investors will be interested in financing its projects. In 2021, Fitch Ratings upgraded CEMEX long-term national scale rating to A+ from A. Also, CEMEX uses the WACC indicator in its annual financial reports to perform various sensitivity analyses. One analysis they performed in 2016 was with respect to the impact that the share price will have, modifying the WACC variables and the perpetual growth rate, that is the letter G. And well, in this table we can see that the share price ranged from 7,286 to 19,732. And another sensitivity analysis that the company made is on the impact that the share price will have by modifying the WACC variables and the constant change of the representative market rate, that is TRM. Through this analysis, CEMEX concluded that the highest share price of 16,485 will be achieved with a WACC of 7.20% and a TRM of 3,201. On the other hand, a WACC of 9.20% and a TRM of 2,801 brings the share price down to 8,213. It is worth mentioning also that performing sensitivity analysis using the WACC allows the company to forecast the success or failure of its projects using reliable and accurate data. In addition, it can study all variables and possible outcomes, which helps project managers make better business or investment decisions. And well, finally, we're going to explain how the firm estimates or calculates their cost of capital. CEMEX WACC for March 1st of 2022 was 10.9%, which is calculated as the following. WACC is equal to the weight of equity multiplied by the cost of equity plus the weight of debt multiplied by the cost of debt, that is also multiplied by 1 minus the tax rate. And well, here we can see that solving this equation results in a WACC of 10.9%. In the following slides, we will explain step by step how each of these variables in this formula are calculated. First, the company calculates its weight of equity and the weight of debt that are presented in the formula. CEMEX market capitalization, that is letter E, is 7,554.507. As of September of 2021, CEMEX latest 2-year average short-term debt and capital lease obligation was 405, and its latest 2-year average long-term debt and capital lease obligation was 9,172. Therefore, the total value of debt is 9,577. And well, with all this information, we can enter this data into the formula in this way. So we can change the letters E plus T with the numbers we have, and we obtain that the weight of equity is 0.441 and the weight of debt is 0.559. And well, now we are going to explain how to calculate the cost of equity. CEMEX uses the capital asset pricing model, that is CAPM, to calculate the required rate of return. The formula is cost of equity equals risk-free rate of return plus beta of assets multiplied by expected return of the market minus risk-free rate of return. The risk-free rate that they use is the 10-year Treasury constant maturity rate, which currently is 7.57%. Beta for CEMEX is 1.11, and CEMEX market premium is 6%. With this data, the cost of equity is calculated as follows. And cost of equity equals 7.57% plus the beta, that is 1.11 multiplied by 6%. So we obtain that the cost of equity is 14.23%.
Well, now we're going to proceed with the cost of debt. CEMEX needs to use the fiscal year and interest expense divided by the latest 2 years' average debt to get the simplified cost of debt. As of December 2021, CEMEX interest expenses, positive number, was 693 million. Its total value of debt is 9,577 million. Cost of debt, it is 693 divided by 9,577, and it will get you a percentage of 7.2361. Well, then we're going to pass to 1 minus average tax rate. CEMEX uses the latest 2 years average tax rate to do the calculation. The latest 2 years average tax rate is 5.68, 5%. Having this data, we can now calculate the 1 minus average tax rate presented in the formula in the following way. 1 minus 5.685%. It is equal to 94.315%. And with this, my partner Carla Salinas and I, Carla Castillón, will end this presentation. Here are our references from CEMEX, and I will proceed to show you the signature of honor. Thank you very much for listening to our presentation, and see you.